Hello viewer, as you can see I've just made a scaffolding tower. So having revealed all of these internal joists, floor joists, I'm now going to remove those and start moving towards a point where this beam is cleared and ready to cut up and take down. So I'm going to go up there and start removing floor joists. Wish me luck. You can probably see the layout here. The gap over there probably means that may be where the staircase originally was. We might even return it to a similar position. Who knows? Just going to sweep it up enough so that I can move the scaffolding tower around and then start sawing at that bit. As per usual, I'm warming up. Now, of course, the place where I've got the ladder is directly underneath two rusty nails. What are the chances I'm going to scrape myself? Now there's another longer joist which is also mortised at either end, and it's sufficiently long that I can't hold one end whilst I cut the other end. So I'm just going to screw a piece of wood to the top of that end after I've cut it to hold it in place. And then I can cut that end and just lift it off. Maybe. We'll see what happens. I don't think that this joist here on this side of the staircase, I don't think it's structurally lending any support to the staircase. So I think I'll probably remove it. Yeah. Let's take this bit out first. Okay, that is nailed onto that joist there, which is supporting those floorboards, so I can't take that out yet. All right, let's go down. should do. That's a bit different. Quite a lot of stuff on top of the beam here. Probably mostly woodworm droppings. I can't move this around because the summer lift's in the way, and that's very, very heavy to move. I'll put a ladder up to do that last one. That should be safe. And then take those beams down the staircase, and then consider how to do this last bit here. I'll have a think. To do the rest of that up there, I will still need the scaffolding, so I'm going to sweep up in behind it so I can move it around a bit more easily rather than it catching on gravel all the time. And then move it into the far corner and saw up some logs to keep us warm. Right. More gravel, more dust and muck. Clean and tidy, so I can now see where the rats go, or other critters, who knows. I'm just going to take down that last one with a ladder. Yeah, that seems safe. That's it for today. Nice and empty. If you've enjoyed, click the thumbs up. If you haven't, click the thumbs down. I'll try and do better. If you could like, if you could subscribe, that'd be great. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of all this nonsense. There's the neighbours. Bye-bye, Frank. I'll switch you off and I'm going to go and do some chainsawing. See you soon.